Thanks.
Yes, gives so much trouble. Y'all need to see her during the breaks, folks. She gives a lot of trouble. All right, so for something to smile about this morning, we played the game Great Minds Think Alike. We will answer 3 questions, and if we come up with similar answers, we win.
A trip to Mexico, Punta Cana. You want this? You didn't want it? Was this pen?
No, I want this one.
Well, give me that one then. Is this one you want?
No.
You want that one?
No.
Give me.
I don't want.
All right,
no,
ready.
All right, come. Expensive type car.
Wait. Oh.
Don't ramp with me now, because I know where you're going to write it. I don't play with me. We're supposed to. Something you would find at every corner of.
Oh, wait, on the same paper?
Yeah.
All right,
something
that.
you would find at every corner of downtown Kingston.
I cannot write what I want to write, you see, is a problem.
Neither me. Neither me.
All right.
I put beer.
What he was going to say in my ears. No. Wait, that too.
Yeah. What else? The third one. Your favorite television show. Well, on a locally or foreign? Foreign. Favorite television show or foreign?
Foreign? Why we going foreign? Shame. Local station,
favorite
local
television show?
Local show.
Granite, I can't hardly hear you.
4.
No, them said 3.
It's only 3?
Well, that's what it said in the prompter.
But we have 4 minutes left. I have more. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
On the mark. Pull the cork.
What you had for your first one?
Just turn around. Turn the paper.
What you had for your first
Turn the paper on. Aha!
What's that? Range Rover. How you have? What's that? Exact same thing. Oh, you have Simpson. That don't surprise me.
It's nepotism.
Yeah.
I was going to put smile, but then I was like...
What? Range Rover and vendor.
I can't believe... I'm very disturbed that we're thinking...
Well, I know. So if you don't think we are together, well, now we know that we is very much together. Yeah, very much together.
Well, let's confirm. Bring on the next 3.
All right.
Ready?
Well, I know. Wait, now see if we get there. Well, a movie title.
Oh my God, we're gonna get this one because we like this movie together.
Next.
Candy. Something you eat, as in you chew, okay?
It was cut and swallow.
Or drink.
All right,
Next.
next. Song with a person's name in the title. Song with a person's name in the title. That me no know. Song with a person's name in the title, Sama.
Think hard. Think about the one that every time we say it, we start laugh.
Song with a person's name in the title. That one they have me. Wait no man, song with a
You can't Google.
No, me not Google.
Find one?
Yeah, but I don't think you're going to get this one.
Okay.
Ready again?
Yeah.
First
Mark.
one. We have Love Actually.
Oh man, I almost got the second one with you.
What you have?
What do you think? I knew we were going to get this one together.
When you say watermelon, I say ice. Oh, Pamela. You know, I nearly do it. I nearly do it, and I said, oh, you couldn't do that. Pamela. All right,
What
one
happened to
last
Pamela?
one.
One last set.
Pamela
Ready?
No, but Pamela did lose her, man. I like the song said, a sport without a ball.
Without a ball involved. She never know how to use 3 ones make 4.
Yeah, next.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, badminton. You said track and field,
Yeah,
don't?
I sure did.
I was going to say track and field, but I said badminton.
But badminton have a shuttle, which de facto is a ball,
No.
because you lob it back and forth.
No, actually it named
It's an implement.
shuttlecock. That's the name of it.
I know.
Some people call it the bird, but the right name is a shuttlecock. It looked like a little feather, almost. Actually, the reason I put badminton is because I actually went out to GC Foster yesterday to watch the international tournament.
I love a badminton, you know.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah.
So what does that mean? What are the
So
results?
we get
Produce?
1, 2, 3. How many 3 we get right?
4.
The first? Right? Did we get over? Yeah, we get 4 out of.
We almost got ice cream.
Yeah, 1,
but I
2,
didn't.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 out of 7 we pass.
Barely.
So let me say.
Thank God. That means we don't think alike.
Let me
Hallelujah.
Let me say it, folks. If we did not think that we were together,
One thing we're very good at together
Yeah.
is dancing.
no, we are good at everything.
Come, Shade, up the music.
Y'all just
Dance
don't
us
know.
to break.
Yeah,
To
y'all
break.
just,
Hey.
y'all just don't know when we reach home the things that we do together. Oh, she gone home and leave me. That's it for something to smile about, folks. Dearly, soon come.